Previously on ITSVONTE'S World.
This motherfucker fucked up. I don't know what the fuck going on with it. Started leaking some shit, as y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? It started leaking some shit. Started smoking like a motherfucker. And then that bitch just died and it wouldn't turn back on. All this goddamn money I spent on this car. All this goddamn money I spent on this bitch. I had it for 2 weeks. And this bitch dead. Man. She's so sexy on that bitch too. Damn, look at the black mamba. Sexy as hell, but dead in a bitch.
Hey, what up? We in Vonte's World. Vonte's World. Vonte's World. We're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smashed his freak. Damn.
Alright, y'all, so, you know what I'm saying, finally figured out what was going on with the Camaro, and it turns out it's the head gasket. So, you know what I'm saying, got Uncle over here right now, you know what I'm saying, extra top expert mechanic over here, and we're gonna get it together. I'll just kind of give y'all like a synopsis of what we doing over here. Just took the, started to take the cover off, we took the battery out, about to get the radiator out, and then I'm pulling the alternator off right now, so we can get to the head gaskets and all that shit. But yeah, man, this is what's going on with the Camaro. We about to bring this bitch back to life. What's that you doing right there?
Huh?
What's
taking
that?
The axle off.
Okay. Yeah, you gotta have that strong motherfucker.
Take the axle out.
Alright, y'all, so we about to get ready to drop the engine out in a minute, just to make it easy to get to the head gasket. You see, y'all can see we got all the wires that was on there. You know what I'm saying? We got them all detached. We had to pull the wires that was running through the firewall to the inside of the car. Y'all can see we had to detach some of the wires that was in here. You know what I'm saying? I can't tell you which wire is which, but oh yeah, that shit, here it go right here. So they was connected to these harnesses right here. So we detached them and sent them through the firewall. So put them out over here on this side. Let these all detach. This whole thing connected to the engine. So we detached that. We took the PCM out. You know what I'm saying? And we got everything pretty much ready to come out. Battery's gone. We had to take the bolts off this power steering pump. What else did we do? Disconnected all the hoses. You know what I'm saying? Got all that disconnected. We disconnected the whatever this is for the AC, you know what I'm saying, where the lines run to the AC compressor, whatever the fuck it's called. Disconnected that. I think that's the steering column right there.
This. Oh, these not connected to nothing. Oh, okay.
This the back.
Okay.
You need the front. One more. Where's it on? It's 2 lines.
What?
Oh, this one right here. Oh no, that's disconnected.
My bad, man. Got it down like that, though.
Yeah, that boy down for sure.
But Tay, is this gonna be a video?
What happened? We got 2 more lines.
2,
Oh.
2.
Okay.
But I gotta push it back some first.
You ready to drop the engine on this motherfucker? I mean, it's already dropped, but take out the last couple bolts on each side. Turn them other. Oh shit, I see the XL, yeah. Oh yeah, I see it now. XL, yeah. Damn.
Oh, that's the amp. Amp wire? Yeah, I'm about to take it off.
Cap right there for that. I see this shit, the engine is adios, it's out of there.
I'm about to put a fucking Z06 engine in it.
It's out of there, we out of there. We out of there, so. Y'all see what's going on, man.
Yes, sir. Put the Z06 engine in it.
Let's get it. Hit the like button, man, and stay tuned into the channel for what's about to happen, what's about to transpire with this fucking Camaro, man. As y'all can see, engine is gone. We got the engine up out of there. We got some shit coming for this motherfucker. It's gonna be back very soon, so make sure you stay tuned into the video. Hit the like button.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King. Bad bitch named Ashley. She bad. And she gon' come and shake that ass for me. Twerk.